All right, training yourself to shoot. Get close enough that you can't miss. I'm shooting split finger. It's a better way to hold it. Floating anchor. Close enough. How you gonna train yourself? You're gonna get where you can't miss at this distance. And then you're gonna move backwards. Train yourself. Get where you cannot miss. All right, and then when you get where you mastered that, take a good step backwards until you mastered that, and then keep on going back. That's how to train yourself to shoot.